Okay, every time I move this, it stops on me. I'm moving very slowly. So I did a few things today. I came up with a latch for these doors. And it's just a rod going down through our bolt. And turn it, goes up, and lets you in. I got some quote-unquote seat belts, and it was kind of dark last time. I tried to show you the floor hump. Got a better shot of it. Show you what I had to do today. I put two heaters, an electric heater and a water heater. But to do it, I ended up having to rebuild the bottom of this. This part is new metal, and that part was old. I just skimmed it with some fiberglass. I fiberglassed the corners and I welded a little piece up here. You can see it just seams halfway up. And my thought is, I'm not going to put batteries in it. It holds spray cans, but you can see these 4 holes hold the one heater, and those 6 bolts hold the other heater. And I'll show you what I got. Still got to wire it. This is a rheostat that goes to the bigger one. So there's my seat belt. What it is, I didn't paint it camo because it won't show up so well. But this is all electric, and there's switches underneath here, and 2 big lug terminals over here. Jump right to the battery, like ground one. And this is the water heater. So it's cute. These are so cheap, but they actually work. This is my transmission cover. And that transmission cover goes right up and stops at the bottom of that heater. I'll show you under the hood what it looks like. So here's my new heater hoses. By the way, I got some Dauntless stickers for the valve covers. And this was not kept earlier. President wants me. So you can't really see it. The heater hoses go right up the middle there, and actually you can see the bottom corner of that heater. It butts right up against that. So I'd like to make a little piece of metal to, fit around those. That'll be a little pattern. Alright, what else has got to show you? Oh, it's a beautiful day today, 60-something degrees. It's March, 2nd? Yeah, that's about the rundown du jour. So, be more later. Thanks.